Before we run that scenario, we were running through this week 11 tax update, if you can recollect. For this J700 taxes, like this. Remember? Hello? No percentage, this one. So we created one tax code for J700, something like J7, right, for exemption, like this. J7, trying to save this. We created this, right? So that's why it is giving us the same thing. Okay, now you have just make it a note. This is another transaction code VK19 where you need to set it up. For taxation, this is my condition type which we created yesterday. So tax code is J7, execute. Maintain the jurisdiction code. Okay, tax 0% for exemption. So this is the dates. So this is the condition record saved.
But tax code should be J0, right?
We created one more, na? J0 was for input tax. Hello.
Okay. Yeah.
That is what we were making mistake yesterday. What is this?
Input.
Yeah.
Okay. Output exemption is J7. Okay.
That is what we are trying a number of times. VA01. Material 1. Enter. This is a sales order. See now, I am creating an order, sales order.
Right.
For the customer.
Okay.
Okay, I just double click on this item. Here in the shipping, I'll maintain the storage location. Back. If you look at this price, if you want to look at this price over here, it is 15,000 per quantity. So if I maintain 10 quantities, it will be how much? 150. Right? 150,000. Edit. Incompletion. Check for any errors. Go ahead and save it. And the same whatever you have seen this amount, you can see it in the condition records. This one. Okay, here. So you can enter if you want to see J700, 0%, nothing is given. So it will take. You can maintain this way if you want.
You could also put their MWST.
No, I took J700 now, remember. Hello.
Yeah, but I'm just saying that
Same thing, instead of MWST, I kept it J700 over there.
Yeah, but if we follow the same steps,
Same, it will come same. Yeah, same. I'll show you. Yeah, it is the same thing. I'll show you on that also. Okay. So after the sales order, what we have to do? The delivery, right?
Yes.
Delivery to the customer. Okay. Picking quantity, total 10 quantity. I'll do the PGA. Done, delivery. Okay. So if you want to check this document, same thing, display, enter, go to this environment, document flow. So during the delivery, what is the journal entry it has generated? Here, keep the cursor here, display. System is too slow today. Okay. Now do the billing. VF01. Okay, this is the one. Enter. Okay. Save it. Document have been saved. Go to the change mode. Click on the accounting document, but it'll take time, just 10 seconds because it's taking time to generate. Okay. Yeah, just it. Now coming back to your question, Karthik, see this. What I did. It is the same thing. Okay. I'll show you first the condition types. Okay. Both J700 and MWST.
Yeah.
Note down. First I'm showing you the condition type. Look at this J700. Same. Okay. Hello.
Condition
Back.
category is
No, you should not take over here. It is taken only in the front end side over there. Okay.
okay.
Back. Same I'm showing you now MWST. Condition type I'm showing you, not access sequence. Okay.
Here it is taken condition category.
Yeah, D taxes I've taken. You can take that. Taxes. Okay. Take this. Doesn't make a difference.
You should define this in front end or something.
No. I mean to say in the FI level we will take the category over here as jurisdiction level. This one. Not at this level, SD level. SD
Right,
level
but
it just calculate the tax now over here. Okay. Back.
But if it is defined here like this, then it will create the same problem, right? Or not?
For which one? For jurisdiction over here.
Yeah.
But we are maintaining in VK19, no? If you even take.
Okay.
Hello. Just now I showed you, right? VK19 apart from VK11.
But for MWST the default setting is D only.
D only. Default setting over here.
Okay.
Standard one.
Okay.
Back. So this is your condition type. Now I'm going to the access sequence. Okay, look into this. Departure country, domestic taxes, export taxes. Okay, default. We are selecting domestic taxes, right? Whenever I was selecting over there. Hello.
Yeah.
Position. I created J700. The only thing is I picked up one extra to check at my end, but you don't take. Only 3 is enough. Okay, because we are doing it on based on domestic taxes. So what we'll do, we'll assign this in our pricing procedure, right?
That also it should be there in standard, right? In pricing procedure, USA
Yeah, MWST should be there.
RVA01, whatever.
Yeah. Here you can see It is 915. Here I have taken J700. Instead of that, you will take it as
MWST.
MWST. Clear?
Yeah.
Now change it. The same thing, then you need to get into taxes, define tax determination rule to your US. Now your category will be MWST.
MWST.
Define tax relevancy of master record. This is already we did it, right?
Yeah.
Tax, one for exemption, one for
Zero.
liable and expenses.
Yeah.
So for material is also done, so I'm not going to get into it. So now if you go and check into the master records, it will update MWST.
MM01. 02.
Correct? Same thing in your custom master. Correct?
Right.
That's it. Okay. Let's move to the next now. I'll go a little bit towards controlling today. Okay. What should I cover? Okay. You know what's controlling area, right? We already discussed it. Remember? Forgot? Hello? Controlling area, then you have your company code. Here sits the operating console. Org units, these are all hierarchy I'm talking about. This is how they'll sit. Remember? Look. The same controlling area has to be assigned across company codes. The fiscal year and the chart of account should remain same. Right?
Yeah.
Like this controlling area is J700 and this is J701. If I want to assign the same controlling area across company codes, a fiscal year and the chart of account should remain the same. Now in the fiscal year also your start and end period should remain the same. Okay.
Yeah.
So then further I said that the controlling area is an org unit. It controls the subcomponents of the controlling area like cost center, internal order, profit center, right? Further I said it is through a controlling area. Once created you can do planning based on that. Then I further said it is based on the reporting also, all this, right? Currency and all this. Let me show you. SPRO, reference IMG. Here. This is a little dry subject, so pay attention on this. This all this components, right? We have not activated anything, right? So as per the error, as per the this thing, we'll activate. Okay. Next. Now, tell me one thing. Whatever we doing this FI journal entries, right? It is getting recorded where? In a particular ledger, right? What was that ledger? What was that ledger?
01.
Default ledger.
01.
0L.
01.
Right?
Yeah. 0L.
0L. Similarly, your controlling values also should get recorded somewhere, right? right? So they gets recorded by name versions. Okay. So in the version 0, you record both plan as well as actuals. Okay. For plan, you can create many versions. Okay. But for actuals, always 0 version.
What are these plans and actuals?
Huh? Repeat that.
Oh, yeah. Well, what are these plans and actuals?
See, controlling is basically you're trying to control something, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Like for example,
Yes.
let me give you one example to understand this controlling.
Okay.
You know cost center, right?
Yeah.
What's a cost center? Right? Where cost is getting incurred.
Where cost is, yeah, incurred, yeah.
For example, there is a production cost center. That is my department. There
Okay.
always cost is getting incurred, right?
Yes.
So I have a production cost center A. I have a production cost center B. I have a production cost center C.
Right.
So how many? 3 departments you call or 3 cost centers you call?
3.
Now, to run this department or a particular machinery that these production department are holding, I need to get something like lubricant to run this. I need diesel, right?
Yeah.
See now,
Yes.
what I do, I need power and so on,
Yeah.
labor,
Yeah.
so on, I need. Now, whenever I get this lubricant, diesel, power, right, we carry these values, right? For example, this cost center might
Yeah.
require $10,000. This might require $20,000, or this might require $5,000.
Right.
So let's say total is around 35,
Okay.
right? Cost. So when this is using 35,000, it is giving me some 10 pieces output after
Right.
it is production started.
Yeah.
Everyone is using this. Same cost.
Okay.
Same cost. Now this has given 10 pieces and still it is left over with some amount on this. I mean to say some
Okay.
lubricant is left over, some diesel is there. For example, let's say some 2000 of lubricant is there, some 1000 of diesel is there, okay, some power is there, okay, left over cost.
Okay.
This has generated, it has given only 9 pieces, okay,
Right.
nothing is there over here, all 0.
But
No,
planned
nothing
is
is
10.
there.
Planned is
Huh?
10 in this case. Planned is 10 in all the 3 cases.
No, no, no.
Isn't-
This is actual only, man. I'm not planning anything as of now. Okay, 10 pieces. Okay. So this has given 10 pieces. Nothing is there.
Mhm.
Now I need to fulfill this one piece, right? See, no? I need
Yeah.
another one piece, right?
Yeah.
So to fulfill this piece, I need to buy some more lubricant, right?
Yes.
Some more diesel I need. I need to purchase, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
should I purchase?
No, should transfer from A.
This is called as allocation
Okay.
from one cost center to another.
Another. Okay.
This is all actuals.
Right.
You can do planning for this.
Uh-huh.
But even,
What you can do
even-
planning.
even in this case, you are planning
Okay.
only, no? Because you are saying that it produced B produced 9 pieces. We are short by 1 piece. Like, how do you determine we are short by 1 piece? That is planning only.
No,
right?
when the
You
production,
expect-
actual
So these
production
are-
started, when actual production started,
Yeah.
it has given you only 9 pieces.
Right. But
So
you're
these are
saying
the
we're short
actual
by.
figures. These
But
are the
when you
actual
say
figures. The
Right.
lubricant and diesel and power, you have planned in anticipation that it will be enough for the production.
Right. Similarly, what I'm telling Karthik over here is you can do planning, you can do budgeting, you can do actuals for
Yeah.
this.
For the lubricants and diesel and power.
Karthik,
yeah, I'm saying that you already planned. In this case also, you're saying the 10 pieces what you expect, and it produced 9. One shot it is. One shot you are finding only because you are expecting 10, right? So that expectation is planning, and then it is short by 1, so you are transferring from A.
my expectation was it should have given me 10 pieces as per that, but it has given me only 9 pieces. But whereas my actual output has given me 10 pieces over here. Okay. So all this you can do in controlling. Now this actual data should get stored somewhere. Okay. So that is in version. It stores in version. Like how you said 0L, right? Similarly for this.
So it will
If
be stored in
Jayaprada
0.
getting this, it's a very dry subject, so pay attention. You'll not get anything out of it. Gaji.
It is 0 version. It is saving in 0 version then.
Yes, I'm
In
here.
this case.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes. Right.
Actual cases. Okay.
I'll do it, no man. Now I'll do the config. See this. Maintain version. See here.
Okay.
It's too slow from morning, the service. Too slow.
Kadir, can you suggest any good textbooks in the market for us to use?
Can you come again? Sinam?
Can you suggest any good textbooks? Configuration textbooks.
It is SAP Pressman. That is the only one is the best for use. SAP Press.
Which one? SAP
In the
Press.
Google, you just go SAP Press FI. SAP Press CO. SAP Press
Okay.
PRESS.
Okay.
Select the version. Click on controlling area settings over here. Okay, now this has gone to some other controlling area.
Change the company. Controlling area.
Yeah, 1 second. Set controlling area. Can you see here first?
No.
So what is our controlling area?
J700.
J700. Set it to this. Select the 0 version. Click on controlling area settings. Now it is J700. Select the version. Both plan, actual. Right? Hello. For setting it for the fiscal year.
But both are using 0 only.
Yeah, both are use 0. That's what I told. What did I write over here? Both plan as well as actuals in version 0.
Okay.
But for plan, if you want, you can create more versions.
Okay.
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 2014, 15, 5 years. You need to keep on coming. Like next year you will come and you will update for next year, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, right? Okay, like that you can do it. So I just double click on this 2014. Okay. I select this integrated planning. Okay.
I think your screen is frozen or something. It's not coming up.
Is it?
Yeah.
Karthik?
That's fine to me.
Jayaprada?
Yeah, it's fine for me also.
Okay. So this exchange rate type, whenever you're planning what exchange rate type it has to take into account, just take it and save it now. This integrated planning is nothing but you're trying to cost center, cost element.
Sorry, Kadir, I can't see. My screen is frozen here.
just press F5 no, on the, keep it on the desktop and press F5. Maybe I refresh it.
Fine. Okay, I think it's come back.
Yeah. This is integrated planning, just go ahead and save it.
You were saying something for integrated planning, why we are selecting that option?
We are selecting that option when we are trying to plan between a cost center and a cost element. So now in the next screens I'll tell you for now. With the combinations, right? I'll tell you. So I'll execute this.
Hello?
Yeah, see.
My
I can hear you,
screen
see
is
now.
full. Yeah, my screen is
Just restart, man. Restart the system otherwise.
very slow.
Log out first.
Okay, just hold on a sec for me. Let me log out.
Is it okay now? See now?
No, let me log out and back. Just give me a
Yeah.
few minutes.
Okay, see, can you see this is an active, right? Hello? Not able to see? Karthik?
Able to see, yeah. Yeah.
Select this, click on release. So the moment you release, it gets finished. Okay? Okay. So this is how you'll set up the versions. Now let's come back to this lubricant, diesel, power, these are all GLs, right? Am I right? Huh?
Yeah.
So in FI, right, these are all? Right?
All expenses.
Okay, let him come back. So you'll ask me to repeat again. How's the weather in Delhi, man? Karthik? He's gone.
Hey Kadi, you looking forward to India South Africa today?
I think South Africa will sweep, man, today. They'll do a lot of sweepings.
Yeah. Yeah, they are going to definitely employ some tactics. Let's see.
They'll come up with something because the chain one was also there, no? that time.
Hmm. Yeah.
How's the
I'll
weather,
get
man?
you
In
back.
Delhi, it's getting too hot over here.
It's okay for now. It's warm in the afternoon. Evenings are better. But
It's
yeah,
40,
we are
man.
getting there.
It's 40 over here.
We are getting there. Don't worry. In a week's time, everybody will be in the same
It's
this
too
thing.
hot. No power.
Yeah.
Bangalore always remain the same as this. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bangalore
it's always the same.
I don't know.
But
No,
now it has started.
usually it rains, no? Sometimes it rains in summertime in Bangalore.
Yeah, but I think it will start from May.
Able to see? Seen him? Can you hear me? Seen him?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Able to see my screen?
Yes, I've swapped for my iPad, but it means I'll have to get all the videos, the recordings for this week sent to me.
Okay. I'll ask Karthik to share it across to you. The other two
Yeah,
videos.
please.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Now come back. Karthik,
Yeah, I'm there.
this is FI, right? All this lubricant, diesel, power, right? All this in the GL, right? This values from FI has to be moved from FI to CO, right?
Hmm.
These values, right?
Yeah.
Whatever these values,
Hmm.
right? Has to move from FI to CO, right, over here, right? So based on what? It moves based on cost elements
Elements.
category. Category wise they are differentiated. Clear or not clear?
Hmm.
I'm talking all these GLs, you have seen it, right? This is GLs, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So suppose when I'm getting in lubricant is an expense, right?
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm getting in lubricant. When I'm getting in lubricant, this is posting in FI.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The same has to be values to be moved into CO also.
Yeah.
So how does these values move? Based on cost element.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Cost element categories. Categories differentiates between expenses and incomes.
So at the
Okay.
time of booking, we'll select cost element category and then it will automatically move to
No,
CO.
I'll tell you that when we will select all that. So just I'm trying to tell you how does the value flows from FI to CO based on cost element category. That's it. Okay. Now coming back to the cost element category.
And CO also, this cost element category also, you will use only against FIGL's income and expense, right? Or will you use for asset liability? You won't use it for asset liability, would you?
No, for balance sheet items it's not there. Okay.
Yeah.
For balance sheet
Maybe
item you
for-
use a profit center. Huh?
Maybe for assets we use, I guess. When we allocate asset or something, I believe there is some concept there for allocating it to a cost center. I'm not sure.
No, but you cannot allocate apart from expenses, you cannot allocate anything to a cost center. Okay, because cost center carries only cost. Okay.
Right.
So this cost element are of two types. One is primary cost element. Another one is secondary cost element. How many are there?
2.
Jayaprada?
2.
2. What is primary cost element? Primary cost elements is the cost elements through which all the data from FI to CO is fetched based on category, cost element category. Category 1. Okay. For example, category 1 for expenses. Okay. Category 11 related to revenue. Okay. Category 12 we use it for sales deductions. Getting this? Hello?
So we are using it for revenue also, no? So I'm saying expense and
You are
revenue both
using
things.
it for revenue, but this revenue will be statistical in nature. It's only for reporting purpose. It's not real.
Okay.
Revenues flows through profit center. Remember I told you when I was taking my initial stage. Okay. Secondary cost element. This is basically we use for allocation. Just now I was talking about, right? Allocation.
Yeah.
For allocation. Purpose. This is also based on category. Okay. 42. For example, use it for assessment. Okay. 21, category 21 internal, 22 external. Okay, that all this we'll see step by step. Let's go. So what I'll do is I'll just try to put down in one of my project how I've done all my production cost element. Okay, what we'll do, we'll put it in one series. Let's say 406,000 to 406,999. Getting my point? Hello?
Yes.
All my admin expenses I will put in one series 407,000 to 407,999. Pay your attention, I'm again repeating again and again more than in FI because this is a very dry subject. If you miss something you will not understand anything. Selling expenses 408,000 to 40899. Yeah? See here now. Now this cost element can be created three ways. Okay, I'll show you all the three ways how you can create. So first let us create that master data. FS00 100 create expense. First we said production expenses, right? Let's say lubricant. Line item G004. Okay, I'll save it. One more I'll create with template 6,000 G700. Tell some production expenses, power. Okay.
Yeah. Direct, right? These are
Huh?
direct costs.
Yeah, whatever. Lubricant is over, power is over, diesel, right? Enough. Next. 7,000 with template. 7,000 is for what? What kind of expenses?
Admin.
Admin. Telephone?
Salary, rent, everything admin.
Yeah. Keep on giving. As you said. Salaries. Admin means you keep on shooting. Telephone over petrol. Enough. Okay. Next. 8,000, right?
Yeah. Selling.
Selling expenses.
Mm. Marketing.
Uh,
Marketing and all that.
Delivery van,
Mm.
right? Okay, next. With template.
Mm.
Dhara?
Advertise.
Dhara,
Advertise.
Yes.
Advertising, marketing.
just wait, you need to wait, okay? 15
Okay,
minutes.
no problem.
Yeah. Next. What else? Sample. I'll save it. What else? Coding.
Mm.
Like this, you keep on mentioning one. Okay.
Mm.
Now this is the GL, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Have
you
to
can
cost
create
elements.
cost elements. First one is manually.
Mm.
I'll show you one manual way. Now imagine you think you will keep on creating like this, edit cost element like this, you go here.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Then you click here, enter, like this category, see here. Can you see here?
Yeah.
So as is primary, right? First one, all PNL. So
Yeah.
here, so you think I can keep on giving 1111 like this? Imagine there are around hundreds means difficult, no?
Mm. Yeah.
One way of doing this. This is manual. Okay. Another one is automatic. Automatic. How does this come automatic? What is this? Make default settings. First one. Change 700. Continue. New entries. What is our range? Our range started from 406000 to 40899, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what is the category it should be assigned with? 1, right?
Mm.
Primary cost.
Payment. Back. Create batch input session. You know what's a batch input session, right?
Mm.
Execute. It got assigned 1111
Mm.
for all those,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, what's a batch input session, please?
It's a collection of program you're trying to run in the background.
Okay.
Okay, you're trying to achieve something. Now what I was trying to achieve a collection that all this GL account should be assigned with this value 111111.
Okay. Okay.
A group
Yeah.
back. Now I'm trying to execute that batch input, whatever it has been run. So I'll select this. I will say process, display errors only,
Errors only
process.
Yeah.
Exit batch input. Now if you go and see, each one of the GL will be assigned with that value 1.
Mm.
See here, edit cost element 1.
Mm.
Any cost element if you go, whatever in that range it will fall.
Mm.
See here, 1.
Right.
Clear? Automatic. Now one more is from the chart of account level. Did anybody remember in chart of account there was something related to controlling area? Controlling?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Here. If you go to J700 here.
Yeah.
Controlling integration.
Now if I select this as automatic creation of cost element and I'll save it. Okay. Now I'll come back to the GL account and try to create one GL. Let's say I want to create one. FS00. Let's say I want to create one admin expense. 407003 with template 406000.
7,000 only.
What expense I want to create? Driver salary. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll save it. See here. Now I'll go to the edit cost element. See here. Automatic created.
Yes.
But that is because we took it from 406000, no? That we already assigned it.
No, that is running through a batch input session. This is automatic. Hello.
So yeah, it ran through automatic batch input and assigned one already. So now when you are trying to create it with template, it will also have one, no?
No. You will not have. Let me do that. Good confusion. See, I'll keep it manual. Okay. 4 with template. Stationary. Okay. I'll save it. Now you think edit cost element will be there as per you?
Yes.
It should not be, man. Hold on.
No, because he used the same company. He used the same company code. He didn't change the company code. He didn't change the company code.
So 1 second, 1 second.
No, you have
No,
assigned
wait,
there,
wait.
no?
Sometimes the system is going slow.
Maybe it has not updated the tables. Maybe it has not updated the tables.
Sometimes it's taking time. The same thing was happening on the SD side when we were doing. Let me create one more. Okay. 405000. Okay. With template. Some expense. Admin. Rent. Okay.
This is outside our range. What you're thinking.
Outside our range.
Yes.
Whatever it meant.
Yes.
Whatever it meant. I'm saving it. Now I'll see. Not there.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear? Now I'll select that and then I'll create in the same range.
So it will not, it should not have, you mean to say, in this case, that is right.
Yeah, manual creation means over here, whenever I create a cost element category within that range, it should come automatically without running a batch input session.
For that range, it should come automatically.
Here,
Okay.
no batch input session is required. If I use this, when I select there in the chart of account level.
Okay, so let me put it this way. So earlier when you were seeing one, then that was because you were picking it from the same range for which the batch input session is already defined. So when you were taking that one and creating with template, it was taking one already because batch input session was present for that range. Okay.
Okay. So whenever you create, then what will happen automatically within that range with that this, if I select this automatic creation and within that range, whatever range I gave right over there, this range 40 over there. Now it will create automatic. I don't need to run the batch input session for this. Again I repeat,
here,
Karthik, listen carefully. I selected automatic creation of cost elements and I maintained a range. Okay.
There are 7 other callers on the call.
And this is maintained, then I don't need to run a batch input session. Automatically create. If I do not maintain this and I create, then I need to run a batch input session to update. Yeah?
No, for manual also, if it is within this, if it falls in the same range, then it will take one only, like you did earlier when it was taking one. When
Yeah,
you're saying
it took,
system.
man, but actually it should take a batch input session. I got your point. What you're saying is, see, now it is manual, right?
Yeah, it is manual.
Manual, right? See. Now I'll try to create one.
Seven
3.
or whatever. Yeah.
Okay, or let me create this one. Create. Expense. Cotton. I'll save it. Not created? Though it is falling in the range.
So you have to run batch input again, you're saying in this case.
Now if I want to run this, see, I just need to run the batch input session again. Okay, now see, create a batch input, execute. Now you got that, cotton? Now you will execute.
So
This
even if you had created with template in this case, then also it wouldn't have taken.
As
right?
for the batch input. Last time what happened was it was, it did not update, man. That's it.
Okay.
Nothing else. Okay, fine. Now that was for the cost element accounting. Okay. Now what we will do is I'll create a cost element hierarchy. Okay, what is this hierarchy? It is basically used for reporting. Let's see how it is used for reporting. Can you see your cost element groups? Here, create. Here, I'll say here. Cost element group for J700, whatever you mentioned it over here. Enter. So this is cost element grouping or hierarchy, whatever you call it. Click here. Watch this carefully. I kept the cursor over here. Click on lower level. So I'll say here 1000, it will record all my production, all my primary cost elements. I'll keep the cursor here, not here, here, same level. 2000, all my secondary cost element. I'll keep the cursor on this 1000. I'll say lower level. What's this? Gaji, Japrada, here.
Yes.
Here I'll give 1100. All my production cost elements. Keep the cursor here, same level. 1200. All my admin cost element. Keep the cursor here, same level. 1300. All my selling
expense.
cost
Cost
or
element.
whatever, expenses, element, whatever.
Hmm.
Enter. Keep the cursor here, 1100. Insert this cost elements. Range 406,000 to 406,999. So whatever you keep on creating in the future automatically will come and sit here.
Hmm.
Here, cost element 407,000 to 407,999.
Hmm.
Keep here, cost element 408,000 to 408,999.
Hmm.
Clear? Secondary we have not yet, so I am keeping up to primary only. Okay.
So right now itself, all those that we created have fallen under these.
Yes, and going forward also it will fall because I maintained a range over here.
Hmm. Hmm. And
Okay.
this is not controlled by manual or this thing, right? Manual or automatic or whatever.
No, this is basically reporting. Suddenly you say, I want only production related expenses, give this.
Hmm.
Primary, this. As a whole of the primary, then give this.
Hmm.
Both. Okay. In the reporting, I'll show you at the time of execution.
Yeah. Yeah.
Back. Okay. Now let us come back to cost center. A little bit towards the cost center. Cost center records only cost. We can do planning, we can do budgeting for this. Okay. Now cost center, depending on the client, can be defined for a department, as a region, okay, as a plant, and so on. Okay. So what I'll do first, if you remember, in this maintain controlling area, we have defined one hierarchy.
Hmm.
Be able to recollect.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah. We put standard that time. Yeah.
Now watch this, hierarchy is importance. Can you see here define cost center groups?
Hmm.
Got? Enter. Do you want to create? Yes. So this is my cost center grouping, right? I'm grouping here. Keep the cursor. Lower level. 1000 will record all production related cost center activity.
Cost centers.
Same level. 2000 all related to admin cost centers. Same level. 3000 all related to the selling.
Selling cost center.
Okay.
Hmm.
But we did not have cost centers to assign here, right? We don't have, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We have not yet created.
Hmm.
So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and create a cost center. See here. Define, create a cost center. So let's say cost center, we'll create. Department wise I'll create, okay? Production department 1, okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Enter. Fill up. Production department 1. Whatever it is. Person responsible, whoever it is. Department, production, category. What it is? It's a production. Now in the hierarchy, see here. I'll open up. Now you tell me it should fall under what group?
Production cost center.
Production cost center. Business area, whatever it is. Profit center we have not yet created, right? Not touched also. So forget about it. Just press enter, it will tell you profit center is active but not. Okay, ignore that message. Save it. Created? Now I'll create one more. Production department 2. This is like template. Hello? Like a template. We did na? For GL.
Yes.
It's like a template. See, I'll just change this to 2. Save. Ignore. Same. One more I'll create and show you. What's this? 3. 3.
So we are
Let's
not
create-
going into different tabs here. There are other tabs also.
I'll go. Hold on. Okay. Now let's say this is admin department 1 with template. Now I need to change this.
Yeah.
Department 1. These tabs you're saying, right? Control. It'll, what do you want to lock actual data? Then it'll not post them. Hello.
Okay.
See, actual revenues. We don't post revenues, I said, right? For the cost center.
Yeah.
This lock. Address. Fill up that cost center. Communication, history, who created and all that. Okay.
Department
Save
you have to change. Yeah, department you have to change here, right?
Department. This one also we need to change. And this one also we need to change.
Category also. And this
Save.
also hierarchy area.
So one more I'll create, let's say 2. Now I'll create with 2
Admin department.
ADM. Hey, getting this?
Yeah.
Japrada, Raji, Seenam. Okay. So I have created some 3 over there, 2
Yes,
cost
correct.
centers over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'll post some expenses to this cost centers, but before I post, I just wanted to show you that group, how it gets updated automatically. See? Correct? Huh? Clear?
Yeah. But Kadir, before you post, now we created cost element also. Are we not, like, we're not creating any relationship between center and element? Cost center
Come
and
again?
cost element. Are we creating any relationship between cost center and cost element?
No, I'm not created any relationship. That integrated planning which I selected na, in the controlling area, that makes a relationship between a cost center and cost element for planning.
Okay.
Okay.
So cost element is at the time of planning you are saying, and cost center is actuals. Is that how it will compare, or how?
Yeah,
what is the
no,
function
you
of-
take it this way. Cost center for time being records only cost. Cost element is basically used to fetch the data from FI to CO. That's it for time being.
Okay.
Okay.
But you will show how they are related later.
Yeah. Now you will get a clarity once I post. See here now. F-02. See here. I'm posting my expenses. What you are talking now? See the relationship. What you are talking about. See here. I'm posting some expenses. Let's say I'm bringing in lubricant. Okay. Enter.
Yeah.
I don't know who did this one. Okay. Let me
Somebody put the field status.
Yeah, this one, document header text as a required entry. Enter.
Reference is also made mandatory.
No, not reference. Okay, now here, let's say 10,000. What cost center it should go to? Whatever cost center, production.
Yes.
Getting it now, linking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, production department. I'm posting to the GL, but it gets posted to a cost center via cost element category data. Hello, we have assigned a category 1 to it, right? This one.
Yeah.
50, 2 series. Enter. What it says?
Do not,
Do not
do not
assign
assign.
to cost center.
Why?
So it's not activated.
Where do we activate? I told you we'll come back and activate in OKKP. Controlling area.
Yeah.
Forgot?
Yeah, you were saying when we see the error, we'll do it.
So unless and until only at the time of the posting it asks for the activation, this one. Clear?
So every time we have to come and activate this. Like
No.
posting.
No. I did not activate at the start.
Okay.
Once you activate, it's enough. Jayaprada,
Yeah.
now you have activated. It's not necessary, not required now. It's like a document number ranges. I did not activate at that time because whenever the error comes, we'll activate VSET, right?
Yes.
Enter. Need to do it again.
Do it again. Yeah.
There are 7 other callers on the call.
How come somebody else is changing the required fields and required entry?
Good question. Now you will answer me. SA is at what level?
Essay is at
This SA, document type OBA7.
yes.
I go to SA. Now this SA is at company code level, this one?
Client level.
Yes.
Client level.
Okay.
It is common for everyone. Even when you create company, it will give you this.
Yeah.
Clear? This is not at company code. Clear? Not clear, Jayaprada?
No, yes.
Okay, I'm posting it now. Save. Tadak, error. See? What is this error now?
Number assignment not possible for business transaction CO.
We have number ranges for the FI. Did we create number ranges for the CO then? 2 documents will generate, right? One for FI, one for CO, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
There was this option there.
Yes.
Number range.
In CO, we don't call this as number ranges, but we call as business transactions. Business transactions.
Changes.
So it is telling the document type over there, we used to call this as a document type. This is called as a business transaction. So business transaction missing is coin, COIN. So we need to assign the number ranges for this COIN. Okay. So I hope you will remember this transaction code KNK.
Okay.
Like OBA7, right?
Yeah.
KNK now. No, like OBA7, this is KNK I'm saying.
Yeah.
For number ranges. So give the controlling area, give the groups. So what it was telling coin, right? See?
Yes.
Right? Mistake. So first create a number range for this. So I'll say I want to create a number ranges for FI CO, right? We want to from FI to CO, right? It should go. When I was doing that, it was giving an error, right?
Yeah.
Hello? 999. I'll save it. Hey, you getting this or no? This is a different way of doing it. Number ranges. Are you with me? Hello?
Yes.
So I just clicked on create. I created a number range. That's it. Now that number range will be somewhere here. See? Okay.
It has to be assigned.
Just we need to assign it to that. So first, what is that we need to assign for coin, right? Select this. Select this row, coin. Here. So double click on this. Automatically that coin will come under that. See? Clear?
Yes.
Save.
Okay.
Okay, so you
Now what
define a
is-
big number range, and then within that, for coin or for any of the other
Whatever it is. I just wanted to show you like what are the number ranges falls under what. Like SA, GL, like this we have na. So I want to segregate it and try to make you understand.
Right.
So I'm posting it again, see. Save it. Finally saved, right? Document 53. Document display. So this is my FI document, right?
Alright.
Environment. Document. Okay. Already we have seen accounting, so it's not required, right? I'll go to this original document over here. See, this is your general ledger view. Here, accounting document. We have seen this document, no? This one. Karthik, now I'm going to this accounting document. Two documents, see? Right?
Yeah.
So accounting we already seen it. So I'll not click on this. I'll click on the controlling document. Updated production department with lubricant. Hello.
Yes,
Just hold on here.
It always comes with a single line item, no debit credit. Controlling updates with a single line item.
Yeah, because it is only updating expense side.
Exactly.
So cost element, when you created it, we created one or something. No, it is taking the same FI GL. It's taking in cost element.
Exactly. But how it is going through a category 1, that is more important.
Okay. So
The
are you saying
linking.
that the cost element will be same as FI GL only? Are you saying that?
Exactly. But in the cost element also, the categorization will happen based on the category wise. If you select one, that belongs to your expenses 1. Category
Right.
1. Okay.
Okay.
That's how it will.
And cost center is production department 1. Okay.
Yeah.
So what exactly is the feature of cost element? Like it is used in report, some report it is used, or where is cost element used exactly?
This one, reporting, man. Now see here. Watch this. Let me post one more. Quickly. So I'm posting one more. See. Let's say 50,000 I'm posting. Now I'm changing to production department 2. 50, 2 series, enter. I'll save it directly. Okay. 2 I posted, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what I'll do is, I'll check the report first. Controlling, cost center, information system, reports. So it's a big report, right? S, this transaction code S underscore ALR underscore, right? So what I did, I right clicked and added on the favorites. Okay, so that I don't need to go again and again. I just double click on this.
The reports you will be taking a session, right? Complete.
We are choosing now, but then and there, a few more if you want, I'll take some more. I think I've sent you across a report, right? I've sent you some document on that, I mean.
No.
One.
No, Kadir, you didn't.
No, I'll send you.
Okay, thank you.
Here. Now here. Do you want to see only production department one? See here. That will come here now. That hierarchy we have defined, right?
Yeah.
Production department one, single if you want to see. It's too slow, man. Morning. Correct? 1000? Individual. Now do you want to see two? You can see. 50,000. No, I don't want to see this way. I want to see the group of primary cost element. Then you will go to the higher level, right? 1000. Here.
Yeah.
The node will change, right? See here. 1000. So now it will give me a total. Now you understood the hierarchy part. Total.
Total for okay.
Production department, all under production.
Production 1, 2, both.
The hierarchy which we defined.
So,
Now
so
this is at the
basically, is it just if you hang on to that report, basically what cost element is helping us achieve is, it is sort of showing us what the FI expense code is, as an FI account is, in a way. I mean, so that within this report itself, it is clear to me as to which FI account I used. Is that a fair
you're
statement?
capturing the expenses and flowing it into the CO.
Right, but in CO when I look at it, then it will be easier for me to know, okay, which FI account cost
Exactly.
is,
What expenses have flowed from which GL account. The same reflection you can check for the cost element wise, as you are talking about this one. We created for cost element also, right? Grouping. Hello?
Yeah.
Same thing, man. See. Element wise if you want to see. Single, right? This way. Else, you don't want to see this way. You want to see as a group. Same thing. Right? See here. This way. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So tomorrow I'll be taking planning. Okay?
Kadir, you said Monday, Sunday
okay.
night, yeah.
So that will be my Monday. So Monday we'll meet, man. Okay?
So why will that Monday will be
Your Monday will be Monday only for you. UK.
UK? It will be my Monday as well.
Yeah, Monday.
Okay. So you let them send me all the recording for this week, right?
Yeah, Karthik, can you just send that FISD recording? Seen him?
For this week, all the ones for this week.
Oh,
this
all
week.
of them? Okay.
This week,
Yeah,
So
this
I'll-
week. This week.
I'll put
Only
it.
this week.
I'll put it on Google Drive. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And I'll
Thank you
send
very
you the
much.
link.
Sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks.
All right. Thanks. So we're
All
not
right, guys.
meeting tomorrow, right? No.
We are not meeting tomorrow. Aparna.
Right.
I think she slept over. Yeah, we'll meet up on Monday.
Okay.
Monday, US Sunday, right?
US Sunday.
Sunday
Right?
night, yeah.
I won't be there on Sunday. So,
Alright. Aparna, you'll be there, right?
no, I won't be there on Sunday. I won't be there on Sunday. So,
Okay.
take that back.
Okay then. Bye bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thanks.
Bye, Kadir.
Have a good weekend, everybody. Bye.
Yeah,
Bye,
you
you
too.
too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Sleep
Bye
well.
bye.
Hope India wins, man.
India will win.
All right.
Bye bye.
Right.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.